Welcome to our channel, the Climax International. Product details: name. ProBreeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier, 1,200 cubic feet, 150 square feet, compact and portable for high humidity in home, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, basement, caravan, office, RV, garage with auto shut-off. Product features: 1. Small and compact, lightweight, compact, and portable, capable of removing up to 9 ounces of water per day with a 16-ounce water tank capacity. Ideal for rooms up to 1,200 cubic feet, 150 square feet. 2. Auto shut-off. When full, the dehumidifier will automatically shut off and the LED light will turn on, indicating the water tank needs draining. Simply empty the water tank and place it back into the dehumidifier. 3. Ultra-quiet and energy-efficient, whisper-quiet operation in bedrooms, bathrooms and offices, at an output of 23 watts per hour, which means only using 0.55 kilowatts after running for 24 hours. 4. Removes 9 ounces of water/day, optimal function in room sizes up to 1,200 cubic feet, 150 square feet. 5. Lowers humidity, perfect for high humidity in your home, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, caravan, garage, closet. Like all mini dehumidifiers, optimal operating temperature is 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It will not work below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. ProBreeze 1,200 cubic feet mini dehumidifier. With low energy consumption and whisper quiet operation. This compact and portable ProBreeze mini dehumidifier efficiently reduces humidity in small rooms up to 1,200 cubic feet. It is perfect for use in small spaces such as your kitchen, garage, basement.